What if I told you that you could create hundreds, even thousands of AI videos of yourself or a fully built AI influencer with perfectly consistent images without a camera, a studio, or recording a single second of footage? Just one photo. And today, I'm going to show you how I built a 30-day AI influencer that posts unlimited videos using a single image. Before I show you the tools, let me show you what's actually possible. This is AISHA, my AI influencer, and here's what she can create for 30 days straight automatically. Lifestyle videos.
Structure makes momentum feel effortless. My life moves. The system keeps working. Freedom comes from decisions made early. This isn't luck. It's built on structure.
Talking head motivational clips.
Your time finally belongs to you. That's what happens when creation is designed once, not repeated daily.
Cozy aesthetic reels. B-roll cinematic scenes.
Every pore, every little detail. Can you believe this is AI? Ultra-realistic AI. It's just between us. Comment course to learn more.
Product UGC style ads.
The warmth in this cold light.
Beauty and fashion shots.
Without you, the system is already available.
Beach content.
This is what life looks like when your work runs quietly.
Gym content.
Music.
Storytelling POV videos.
Your work doesn't need you every minute. It's built that way, intentionally, not accidentally.
Emotional expression videos.
I was not filmed. I was built. The result feels the same.
And more. Every single one of these videos came from just one photo. And yes, the face is perfectly consistent across all content. This is what makes the workflow so powerful. Imagine posting every day for 30 days without filming. Imagine showing clients you can build them a full AI influencer with photos, short-form reels, long-form, talking videos, ads, UGC, lifestyle content, all done with AI. Now let me show you exactly how I created her. To build AISHA, I used a simple 3-tool workflow that anyone can follow. No training, no filming, no complicated setup. But before we touch any tools, there's one decision you need to make first. There are 3 ways to create an AI character, and you only pick one. Option 1, your digital clone, AI twin. This is for creators who want an AI version of themselves. You upload one clear selfie, and the AI preserves your face, your proportions, your identity. This creates a digital clone that looks like you in every video. Perfect if you want to show up online without ever filming. Option 2. Build a new AI character from scratch. This option is for creators who want a brand persona, not themselves. You define the look, the vibe, the energy, and the AI builds a completely original influencer. This is ideal for faceless brands, virtual influencers, content at scale. Here, you're not cloning a real person. You're designing a character from scratch. Educator, creator, consultant, coach, same engine, different persona. Option 3. AI character from reference images, fusion method. This method uses 2 to 3 reference images. The AI blends facial features into one new, consistent identity. It's powerful, but more advanced. No matter which option you choose, an AI clone, a character from scratch, or a fusion, they all lead to the same goal, one base image. This base image is identity locked. It becomes a foundation for everything you generate next. Outfits change, locations change, scenes change, but the face, the identity, stays perfectly consistent. This is how you stop starting over and start building an AI influencer that scales. And this is where most people get stuck. They use the right images, but still end up with AI faces that look fake. The model isn't the problem. Generic prompts are. That's why I built a UGC Prompt Engineer GPT. It breaks down real photos, lighting, pose, skin detail, so the output actually looks real. That's how I created AISHA. And to make this easy, I put everything inside a free membership. You'll get access to the UGC Prompt Engineer GPT, my prompt vault, and every tool I use. It's all linked in the pinned comment. For AISHA, I used a hybrid approach. I started with a reference image, then intentionally adjusted physical features to design her identity. The goal wasn't to clone a real person. It was to engineer a scalable AI influencer with perfect consistency. To do that, I use my UGC Prompt Engineer GPT. This is what I use to refine things like facial softness, body proportions, overall aesthetic. You can pull inspiration from places like Pinterest or Instagram, not to copy anyone, but to understand the style you want. I feed those reference images into my GPT, and it analyzes things like lighting, pose, skin detail, and structure. Once the analysis is done, I use that output to adjust the JSON prompt, intentionally creating a new person, not a replica. I'll often add details like visible natural facial skin texture with detailed pores and slight imperfections to make the avatar feel more realistic. Then I send that updated JSON into Nano Banana Pro and generate test images. Once I'm happy with the result, that image becomes the base image. This base image is critical. It needs to be clear, realistic, and identity locked, because it becomes a core image for all future generations. Get this right once, and everything else becomes easy. Now that the base image is locked, this is where things get really fun. Let's go back into Higgsfield, where we created our base image. I'm going to edit it and place her in a busy New York City street with a new outfit, while keeping the same identity. For outfits, you can pull inspiration from places like Pinterest or Instagram. I found this outfit on Pinterest. I'll take a quick screenshot and drop it into the prompt box as a reference. Here's the simple prompt I'm using. The woman in image 1 is wearing the outfit from image 2. Full body shot. She is standing on a busy street in New York City. Notice how the face stays the same, even though everything else changes. If you want to try different colors while keeping the same outfit, you can use a prompt like this. The woman in image 1 wearing the outfit from image 2 adjusted to dark lime green color palette. She's wearing yellow open-toe high heels. Full body shot. She's standing on a busy street in New York City. Photorealistic, natural lighting, realistic skin texture, consistent facial identity. And if the street looks a little generic, you can simply add cinematic urban street photography. We generated 3 color variations of the same outfit, same identity. You can change colors, settings, and environments freely. I'll pick the blue outfit. And now let's turn this image into a video using Kling 2.6 motion control inside Higgsfield. This is where still images become real content. Kling 2.6 motion control transfers movement from a real video onto your AI character. Upload a motion reference from Pinterest, TikTok, or Instagram. Then upload your AI character image below. The motion comes from the video. The identity comes from your base image. To make it more realistic, add people walking in the background. Think of it like this. One image locks the face, the motion reference controls the body. When you compare this to the real reference video, it's hard to tell which one is AI. The motion, the expressions, everything matches. That line between real person and AI influencer is getting very thin. And that's why consistency and intention matter more than ever.
And it really just like
thins out my neck because I have so many muscles here that are tense, specifically in the neck.
And I also do it on the face to give it like this uplifted
thing. So I travel with this everywhere I go. Love it.
If you want to try this yourself, I'm giving you free access to my UGC Prompt Engineer GPT, along with my prompt vault and tool list. You'll find everything in the pinned comment. And if you want the full system, from character creation to automation, that's all inside AISHA Engine. Up to this point, everything you've seen works. But on the left, you're doing it manually, every single day. Writing scripts, generating images, editing videos, uploading, posting. On the right, automation handles all of it. Same AI influencer, two completely different workflows. In the next video, I'll show you how I automate this entire system.